Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily install Roblox on Windows 11 completely for free. So what you need to do actually is you need to go to Microsoft Store. So I would go to search next to the start and I would write here Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store here. And right here you want to write Roblox. And then install right here. So you just have to install it. And here you're gonna find it. And you just install it and you're good to go and you can play it. So thank you very much guys for watching. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.